Welcome back. Today's topic is the language acceptance by pushdown automata. So before explaining how the language is accepted by the pushdown automata, discuss how the language is accepted by the finite automata. DFA accept the any string W after reading all input symbols in the string W. If DFA entered to the final state, then we can say the string is accepted by the DFA or NFA. The pushdown automata accepts its language in two ways. First way is language acceptance by final state. Second way is language acceptance by empty stack. Discuss one by one. If you consider the first way, the language acceptance by final state, consider this configuration. The string is W equals to AA triple B. The initial state is Q0. Bottom of the stack or else initial stack symbol is the Z0. Then what is the configuration of this pushdown automata? How we can return it is, now it is Q0 comma W comma Z0. After doing some transitions, meaning of writing like this is after doing many transitions, if mission enter into the state P comma, if the input string is empty, then stack has some symbols gamma. How we return this configuration is state is P, let's say the state is P and input string is empty. So after reading all input symbols, what is the next symbol is no symbol, so it is empty. Then gamma is stack may have some elements, so stack has A, Z0, meaning that stack is not empty. Okay, see, P is belongs to the final state, gamma is belongs to the stack alphabet. After reading all input symbols in the string, the pushdown automata must enter into the one of the final state. That time stack may not empty, so we can say the string W is accepted by final state. Clearly observe, there are two conditions to accept any string by final state. First condition is string must be empty. Second condition is mission must be entered to the final state. Next, discuss about language acceptance by empty stack. The initial configuration of the any pushdown automata is state is Q0, string W comma, bottom of the stack symbol or initial stack symbol is Z0. So W equals to AA triple B. Then initial state is Q0, bottom of the stack is Z0. So after doing many transitions, mission stops at state P by consuming all input symbols. That's why sigma comma, no symbols in the stack. So this is the formal representation how a pushdown automata accepts a language by empty stack. This is the configuration shows this situation. Now last state is P. So after reading B symbol, there is no symbols to process, that's why string is empty. Then after doing some push and pop and no operation, finally stack is empty. And hence we can say the language is accepted by the pushdown automata through which condition is empty stack condition. You observe P belongs to one of the state in the pushdown automata. P is not a final state, it's simply a one of the state in the pushdown automata, but major condition is string becomes empty. That's why we are making the language is accepted by the empty stack. Okay, so there are some necessary conditions to accept any language by empty stack. Is first one is string must be empty. Second condition is stack must be empty. Finally, there are two ways to accept a language by pushdown automata. One is language acceptance by final state and second one is language acceptance by empty stack.